I'm Claire from Inner Child Fun, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super cool, kind of freaky, spooky spider craft. So this craft is great for Halloween parties or just decorating around the house. So let's just jump on right into it. I took 2 long black pipe cleaners like the size of this, and I cut them in half using a wire cutter. This is very important that you cut them in half using a wire cutter and not scissors, otherwise you can really hurt yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one black one, one brown one and one black one, and I'm just going to twist them together. I'm just twisting them together here. And then I want to do the same thing for the rest of my pipe cleaners. So now I've got 4 twisted pipe cleaners. Now you might be thinking, Claire, it's only 4. Spiders have 8 legs. Well, yeah, I know that. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take a soda tab, thread this through one of them, fold the leg in half, and then twist it once or twice to secure it. Now you have 2 legs. Just take another one, do the same thing. One, 2. Then you have to do the same thing on the other side of the soda tab. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take all the legs in your hand and then kind of fold them down a little bit to curve them. And then it should be on the other side. This makes quite a mess. Okay, so now we got our spider eggs. Then you're going to take your long pipe cleaner that you did not cut, and you're just going to wrap it around the soda tab. So, just like that. And then what you can do, if you really want to, if you want to make your spider look a little bit goofy, you can add googly eyes too. Wiggle eyes. And just a little heads up, make sure that your Aunt Edna doesn't walk into the kitchen and see these all over the fruit bowl. Like, you don't want to seriously scare a person like that. But it is fun to do it sometimes. So there you go. There are your spooky spiders. They look a bit like tarantulas too. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Just look at all of this mess. From you, and from you. Look at all of this. Such a mess.